smart sensor, begin to check the indoor air quality. Room care air cleaning start. Begin fine dust air purification. Begin air purification for baby. Begin air purification for sleeping. Start automatic humidification air cleaning. Begin repeat air purification. Please select repeat operation time by pressing timer button. Begin auto air purification. Begin manual air purification. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, hour. Operation. Stop after 2 hours. Operation. Stop after 3 hours. Operation. Stop after 4. Sterilization function selected. Sterilization function cancelled. Begin turbo air purification. Stop turbo air purification. Indoor air quality is good. Indoor air quality is good. Cleanliness display mode cancelled. Indoor air quality is good. Cleanliness display mode selected.